Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kashi Digital Headquarters. I'm your friend Kashi Ahmed. Today, I'm going to talk about 7 different prompt types that you need to know in order to get the best out of your any AI engine LLM that you're using. So we'll walk through each one of them, and I would encourage you to try those or different things and let me know in the comments. Before we move forward, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, save this video, bookmark it, or like it. So number one type is instructional prompt types. This is more like when you want a direct answer and you have a clear ask from the AI. Like you want to say, add a limit, give me a bullet list, word or steps, and all those kind of stuff. An example for that would be explain black holes in 30 words. So you're giving very direct command, very limited window, and all those. Second type of prompt type is creative prompts. That's for imagination and storytelling. If you want to build the stories, jokes, ideas, hooks, or any script, then you need to have these type of prompts. You can also add different type of vibes in there, emotional, scary, funny, cinematic, those kind of stuff. An example for that kind of prompt type will be write a bedtime story where the moon gets hijacked. So that's the imaginative type of prompt type. Number 3 type is role-based prompt, more like an expert mode, where you're describing a tone and expertise and a perspective. You're telling it to act like something, different role for the AI to act like and response back. An example for that type of prompt will be act like a NASA engineer explaining rocket to a 10-year-old kid. So it's gonna act like an expert and explain like it is explaining to the kid. Now, the 4th type of the prompt types is conversational prompt, more into back and forth style. You use these type of prompts when you want to simulate human interaction, when you're talking to someone, you're brainstorming, you're coaching, you're interviewing, and all those. Then you need these type of prompts. You can have it behave like ask you the question or guide me step by step. Those kind of instructions you can give in these kind of prompt type. An example for that will be pretend we are 2 pirates and we are planning a treasure hunt. So you go back and forth, different things that you do. Now, the 5th type of prompt type is more of an analytical prompt, where you add logic and comparison. These type of prompt you want to use when you want to have pros and cons, you want to have debate, decision making, you have to want to break down on reasoning. And you can add some of the structure in there, give you an output into the table format, or rank this, or more like a compare with XYZ. An example for that kind of prompt type will be compare iPhone with Android in a more like a fun, debatable style, right? So it will give you that. Now, the 6th type of prompt type is visual multimodal prompt. This is where image and text come together. This one is when you want to create an image, or you want to interpret image, or you want to add some text in there. You want to add subject, lighting, camera angle, and all those kind of stuff. That's what you do for this kind of prompt type. An example for that kind of prompt type will be generate an image of a futuristic mask floating in the space. That's what it will do. Now, last one is technical, or you call it code prompt or technical prompts. That's for more like a developer mode. You use this one when you want AI to generate some code snippets, create some automation, create some tasks, and all those kind of stuff. You can add the parameters in your prompt is what language you want, what kind of output you want, edge cases, the testing, and all those. An example for that kind of prompt will be write a Python script to sort student grades. So those are the 7 type of prompt that we learned today. Number 1 is instructional prompt. Number 2 is the creative prompt, role-based prompt. Number 3, conversational prompt. And then you have analytical prompt. And then you got the visual multimodal prompt and the developer prompt. So in practice, what happened? Do we use one or the other? No. In practice, what happens? You use kind of more like a combo prompt. An example will be you use the role-based prompt with the instruction, like an expert doing some task, direct ask, but with the role-based. Or you do analytical with the conversational combination together. Means coach me through this decision making, and you're going through little analytical and the coaching perspective, conversational. Or creative with instructional combo that you do, which is write 10 hooks for this particular script. All of these prompts could be used in any order that you want, and you have a lot of resources available. You have prompt engineering guide from ChatGPT, Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Anthropic Claude. All of those are linked into the description. Please check those out. And also check out kashiahmed.com for some different examples that you can try yourself. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe, bookmark it, save it for later, share in the comments what kind of prompt that you have been trying. I would love to see your prompt example and the output that you got. Hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll talk to you next. Thank you.